So welcome back, everybody. And we're going to say welcome back to what you're looking at. So right now you're looking at off the porch here at Silver Mountain, the tubing area and the bunny hill here. And I can tell you that 2 days ago, what we're looking at here was bare ground for quite a bit. Tubing hill was wiped about halfway down. And the storm that's been calling for the northwest here has dumped here at Silver. Come back and look at the rail here a little bit. That's the height of the snow that's fallen. That's about, I don't know, 4.5, 5 inches. So it's coming back. It's definitely coming back. All we got to do is hope that it doesn't rain on us after this storm blows through and dumps another, hopefully 8 inches or so tonight, tomorrow. Our lookout pass is expected to get around 8 to 12. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Winter's coming back. Unbelievable. And their snowblower is working better than mine, but got all these tricky gadgets on the new one. You got trigger fingers and all this other stuff. But there's a good sign for the season coming. Snow blowing instead of snow stopping. That one's on tracks, which is better than wheels. So we're going to cut a path all out here in front of the building. Once we get in front of the racks out here, I want to tell you guys that this particular area in here in front of the building is still minimal. You dropped something there, buddy. You dropped something. Thank you. It's still minimal pack out here in front. As you can tell by the dirt that's popping out of the footprints. It's a little bit higher elevation, and it didn't blow snow in this area. What you're looking at here is all natural snow falling from heaven and God. And it isn't as much as the bunny hill and the tubing hill, because that they borrowed a big snow blower gun from 49 degrees north and blew out a lot of man-made snow. So beware of your equipment when you're out here in the front of the building, and beware of what looks about pristine, beautiful snow. It's not deep enough yet, guys. So stay on the runs that are provided for you and have a great time. Don't go in the trees. It's deadly. Tread ahead. Okay, for those of you who haven't been up to Silver Mountain in a number of years, etc., I'm going to do a little blog here for you to help you navigate this at lunchtime. So when you come in here, you'll find that people will line up right where I'm standing in this area here, and they'll walk along this line until they get into where the trays are right here. They'll pick up a tray and they'll continue their line along here, but this is window 1, and window 1 will have a screen up here that will tell you what food services are available from this window. Window 2, as you walk along, will be another window with other food services. I think this is burgers and fries on window 1 with some of your pastas, your soups, your chilies, and stuff like that. So window 3 over here turns out to be usually your coffee bar, pizza, and things of that nature. They've also put a lot of your condiments and things on the middle stand here. Would be salads, condiments, and little knick-back things, stuff like that. So that's a roundabout move through the food court, and then you come over and pay out over here. So what does that mean? That means that when you come into the food court here, don't stand in the line I first showed you to get a tray. Walk down the aisle, pick up your tray, and then go to the window that is showing the food of choice that you want to eat that day. Otherwise, you're standing in line with the rest of the lemmings, waiting to fall over the cliff. So this should be real helpful to keep the lines moving through the food court.